Hello guys, Sony has released firmware 9.00 for PS4 and PS5. Well, here is one that we did not expect anymore. Here is that Sony put online a few minutes ago the official firmware 9.00. A new firmware for the PS5, one for the PS4, only a small firmware is missing for the PS3 so that everyone is satisfied. Let's come back to this firmware 9.00. Since June the PS4 had welcomed the firmware 8.52, it is now replaced by this new firmware which also brings changes related to the PS5, namely the possibility of displaying the trophies of the PS5 games on PS4, of removing a group of which we are the owner, to use the PS Remote Play application to access our console from mobile data, and many other developments which are listed in the changelog. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.